Mega shout out, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart and welcome to my channel. For those who were not able to do the subscription in my channel, please do hit the notification bells that you will be able to be updated in my next vlog, next unboxing and all. Thank you so much. Please, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart and I will do my favorite unboxing segment once again. So, nag-order ako nito kasi kailangan ko talaga siya. And then, disclaimer again, this is not to brag, but this is just a mutual merely unboxing for what I ordered online. So, it arrives today. 3 days ago, I ordered and now here it comes. Okay, and let's do the unboxing together. Okay. Okay. What is this all about? And I'm so excited, guys, to what is this I ordered again. Let's check. Okay. Okay, where is it? Okay, let me check. Oh, so this is the color. This is a hair color. Cocoa Butter Premium Hair Color Bremod. So, oxidant. Cocoa butter. Okay. This is kinda like 17 melty ash. So melty ash. I don't know how to use this one, guys. Precaution product may be contained with ammonia, blah 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 and all. Okay, ingredients. How to do direction. Put the gloves and apron. Put the gloves and apron, mix the hair color cream and oxidant. So this is an oxidant, this is the hair color cream. Solution into the dye bowl with appropriate proportion of portion 1 and hair color cream in a portion 2, so 1 by 1. For first user, apply mix 2 to 3 inches cm away from your scalp and hair ends. Stay in 15 to 20 minutes and then apply the balanced mixture of hair root and hair ends. Always leave hairline apart and flat. Stay for 20 to 25 minutes. Staying time will be half. Then apply to the roots For a result, thoroughly apply conditioner, then rinse and then blow dry. And okay, this is what I ordered online because I really wanted to do the hair color. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and this is for our unboxing for today. For the order for a hair dye color. Thank you so much once again. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you. I love you. Spread and positivity.